Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 12. BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 12. The Roman numeral LXXX3 is equal to dash. A we have 93, B we have 90, C we have 83, and D we have 73. Now we have to express this Roman numeral into what? Into our numbers. And like we know, Roman numeral is simply what? A system adopted by the Romans, in which numbers are represented in capital letters, whereby your 1 is represented as I, your 5 is represented as V, your 10 is represented as X. So therefore 20 will be given as what? As XX. Here 50 is given as what? As L. 100 is given as C, and so on. So this is the Roman system. They write numbers in capital letters. They use capital letters to represent numbers. Now we are given the Roman numeral LXXXIII, and we are asked to find its equivalent in numbers. Now for us to do this, we'll do simply we'll simply break this down. Now the first we have here is the is the L. Then we have the XXX, that is 310. So we have the 1, 2, 3, and then we have the III, 3 III, that's I. Now L here is equal to what? L is 50. In the Roman numeral, L stands for 50. So we have what? 50. Now X in the Roman numeral stands for what? Stands for 10. And so therefore when you have 3x, that is 3 times 10, then you have 30. Now I in the Roman numeral stands for 1. So therefore you have 3I, that's I is what? It represents 3. So now let's add this up. What will it give us? 0 plus 0 plus 3 will give us 3, and 5 plus 3 will give us 8. So therefore LXXXIII in Roman numeral is equal to 83. Now when we look at the option A says 93, which is wrong, B says 90, which is wrong, and C says 83. 83 is the correct answer because it corresponds to our answer here, and D says 73, which is wrong. So the correct answer to this question is C, 83. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.